Blakemore. I work for Electrolux Professional, and I'm here today in Luton at the Centre of Excellence. And we're working in partnership with the World Association of Chefs. And what we're doing today, we're holding a forum meeting for those chefs on Cook and Chill. What we're aiming to achieve is a goal where we work with the chefs through the World Association and give them knowledge of what Electrolux, through innovation and technology, can bring to the chefs in the marketplace. And what we're doing right now, we're holding the first course here in the UK through the World Association of Chefs.
Today I'm in the Electrolux Innovation Training Centre in Luton, in what can only be described as an absolutely state-of-the-art learning environment. So we're here today to discuss that, to learn about the whole combination of cooking and science together, looking at the combination of how we use modern technology in today's cooking. The chefs here today are from a wide variety of backgrounds. We have them coming from hotels, from restaurants, and from education. So you're looking at different levels of expertise and different levels of expectation. From the chef's point of view, it's about them being able to see how can they streamline their business, how can they streamline their systems in cooking, and so on and so forth. So again, the emphasis is always going to be on creativity. The emphasis always has to be on profits as well. The main point is about guaranteeing consistency in food and food quality.
So I think what they've got out of it today is perhaps different ways to use the equipment, and certainly a few little tips and pieces in there which they did make a lot of notes, so hopefully they'll take that away with them and use it in their everyday practices. They picked up some useful points, I think, today. A lot of them are familiar with utilising sous vide, using combis, and also chilling processes as well. I think what we've done today is highlighted some different ways in how to use combination ovens, some different ways in how to use their blast chillers, and of course the correct way to use blast chillers as well. The ingredients that we've used today, we've tried to make it a little bit diverse and looking at different cooking processes. With low temperature cooking, we used belly pork, so a cheap cut of meat, to demonstrate how we can both tenderise a product up and make savings. We also used racks of lamb for some of the low cooking techniques, and also the sous vide techniques, so the same product but cooked in different ways. We utilised a wide selection of vegetables, from asparagus, butternut squash, different potato dishes, to emphasise again both on sous vide cooking and chilling processes.
Today was very successful because we got all the information before we went into the kitchens, the test kitchens, all the information about the equipment that we were using, and it was very informative, and then we actually got to work with it, so it created a deeper understanding of all the equipment. It's more hands-on, and because it's more practical based, you learn a lot more because you're learning off each other plus the instructor.
I work in a hotel, but I'm also helping WorldChefs as the UK ambassador for the Chef to Chef training program. Basically all the equipment they use in Electrolux is all designed with sustainability in mind, and it's getting that training through to the chefs, and obviously then the increased productivity and the better product through to the guest at the end. Today's programme was very good actually. It was basically say from the a la carte cooking, the sous vide cooking, all the way up to the banqueting programme as well. So every aspect of the catering industry was covered by today's course.
One of the things we did today, a dessert challenge, to really get them focused on what they'd done through the morning with the blast chilling, and also to utilise the ovens. So really what they did was split them into two groups. And one thing I found very quickly was the groups who had never worked with each other gelled very quickly to come up with an idea of what their food concept dessert would be to use through the blast chilling process. And it was really, for me, quite an eye-opener and a real pleasure to see these chefs who haven't worked together to gel. And that's what Electrolux Professional's partnership with WorldChefs is all about.